Welcome to part 2, 10th of May 2021. Over the last couple of weeks or so, I have shortened 2 supporting legs and constructed the substantial steel frame. At times I had one end of the engine supported on hydraulic jacks with a wooden post to support the engine just in case the jacks failed. I spent 2 full days drilling, cutting and bolting the steel. Great exercise, far better than going to any gym. It was good to finally remove the massive steel and timber pallet that the engine had been sitting on for the last 50 years or so. At last, the frame was complete. The next task is to lift the frame and engine into the vertical position.